What is going on, guys? Spencer Clays here, and today I'm going to be showing you how much money I make from 1 million views on my YouTube Shorts, specifically one YouTube Short. The thing about this one, I posted it on January 31st, and as of February 11th, it has gotten 1,229,911 views. So we're going to be diving into the stats because before February 1st, YouTube kind of had this weird thing called the YouTube Shorts Fund, and now they've actually combined the YouTube Shorts with the AdSense program. So now all your money, all your stats are under the same roof. So it kind of makes a little bit more sense because before this, we weren't really sure if YouTube liked Shorts on your main channel, or because I know a lot of creators have like separate channels for, their own shorts or their long form content or their own podcast. But it's become clear that YouTube kind of just wants your channel to grow no matter what. They're happy if you're posting shorts. They're happy if you're posting long form content. Either way, as long as you're keeping people on the platform and making good videos, and they're going to share a little bit of that money with you. So with that, let's dive into some of the numbers. We already talked about how many views this got, but let's say you're just starting on YouTube Shorts. You're trying to see, how long will it take me to join the YouTube Partner Program. So this video got me 1,016 subscribers. And if you guys don't know, to join the YouTube Partner Program, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. But now we can see or you need 10 million views on YouTube Shorts. So this is kind of cool because when I joined, you needed 4,000 hours of watch time, which took me forever to hit because, when you're a new channel, sometimes you don't have quite the reach. So that is kind of cool that they're doing that. So keep that in mind. With that being said, I made $59.79 over the last 11 days. So if you divide that out, that's $5.43 a day. Cost per milli, which is cost per 1,000 views, is literally like 4 cents. So nothing that's going to make me crazy rich anytime soon. But it's kind of cool that, it still made me like $60 over the past few days, and it's still just continuing to make money. This is why a lot of the big creators and stuff are able to make so much money. It's because they've been doing this for years. They have hundreds of videos just pumping out. And even if the video doesn't do super well, sometimes it's making $1, $2, $5, $10 a day. But if you have hundreds of videos, or even just 100 videos making $5 a day, that's $500 a day. So you can kind of see how things can get crazy pretty fast. For me, I only have like 150 videos, and not nearly many of them are doing this well. I have quite a few that have done really well. I think I have one that did like 19 million views on Shorts. So it really just kind of depends. YouTube Shorts is still kind of a long-term game because for me, it took me actually about like a month or two before I saw any traction on YouTube Shorts. It's kind of weird because with TikTok, a lot of people can see you can have an incredibly fast exponential growth. But the thing with TikToks is they have a very fast burn rate. They'll go viral or they won't. They'll burn up and then the video's dead. But the interesting thing about YouTube Shorts is YouTube will continue to show a good video for months, which is very cool. So even something like this that kind of spiked, I wouldn't be surprised if it got on another 2 million, 3 million, 4 million views and just continued to perform. So that's kind of the cool thing about YouTube. So with that being said, that is how much money I made on YouTube. Get your butts on YouTube, get your asses on TikTok. They're going to make a lot more money. So hope this video showed you something cool. See you in the next one. Peace.